morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to Ninasaurus. Can you tell we just woke up?
Today we're going to be learning about color correction. We're going to be doing red spots and dark circles because coffee is not enough sometimes and the foundation might not be strong enough. So we're going to show you how to use specific primers with your foundation to cover up those spots. So let's get started.
So first things first, we have to prime our face like normal. We're going to go ahead and do a mini cleanse with the micellar water just to make sure we're all good to go. And then we will put our regular primer on, which is our moisturizer and primer. And then we will get into the color correcting. First thing you're gonna need is some cotton pads.
And micellar water.
There's yours.
What we're doing right now is to make sure our faces are properly cleaned before we start color correcting.
Before we apply anything to our face.
Yes.
This doubles as like a toner. So if you don't have a toner, you can get by with this. It just helps remove any impurities that you got going on. All right. Step 2 will be our Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. Okay, so when you're applying your primer, be gentle with your face. Go in an upward motion with everything because we don't want to destroy things and make your face saggy. So, for color correcting, if you have under eye circles like this, you're going to want to brighten those areas up with a peach type of tone. Okay, it's really hard to tell on camera, but she has just a little bit of redness that happens like right on the inner corner of her eye right here. So hers can be really minimal. But if you have red, what color do you use?
You use green because with color theory you always have to use the opposite color.
Yes.
So with purple she will be using peach, I will be using green for the red.
So I'll be using a mixture of these two because this one on its own is a little bit too light for me, and Lily will be using this green, and if she sees any kind of purpley spots she'll use a little bit of this too. We already put some on our palettes. So you're going to start with just a very little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and you're gonna want somewhat of a flat brush that's kind of on the denser side so that you can be really controlled with where this is going because you don't want it to be all over the place. You can kind of already see that this makes quite a difference. Right? Awake, sleepy. Awake, sleepy. So, do you remember how to do foundation, Lily?
Get the brush, dab it, and then you do the dots and then you blend it in.
We apply it with this brush. And then we blend it with
my beauty blender
or
a brush. Yeah. Not this brush. This is just for applying dots to your face.
that was a lot.
What?
What I just stuck on my chin.
Yeah, it looks like you're wearing like one of those face masks.
You know what, Lily?
What? It's true. I look like I'm wearing one too. Or maybe I'm like a polka dot person. If that's a thing. Reverse chicken pox. There we go. I'm sorry, chicken pox is a very serious disease. It's nothing to joke about.
I don't know what that was. I have a tendency to like go like this, and I don't know why. So, circular motions to blend, blend, blend. Are you doing circular motions back there too, Daisy?
Yeah.
Okay. You can definitely tell there's a difference between the corrected eye and the uncorrected eye. So the little bit that's left that you can still see, we could cover with concealer now, and that would take care of the rest of it without it looking too cakey or anything like that. If we try to go in and just cover this with concealer, it's not gonna look right. So, and Lily, you can see the little redness on the right side versus the left side, it's pretty much gone. This is the finished look.
Take
You
two.
would- It's too early. I'm not.
Take
I'm not
three.
there.
I like to blend it, blend it. You like to blend it, blend it. I like to blend it. We like to.
Okay, on a more
blend it.
serious note, you would have to put concealer afterwards because you can still kind of see it. Also, we're not perfect at this yet because it's still new, but we're just trying to share what we're learning. So it'll take some practice to get it perfect. But hopefully you can see there's definitely a difference.
Last take. I like to blend it, blend it. She likes to blend.
I'm not blending. Don't forget to like
this video.
Jesus, no. Don't forget to like this video,
Share this video
subscribe to my channel,
and click the notification bell.
ding!
I like to blend it, blend it. She likes to blend it, blend it. We like to blend it, blend it, blend it.